Hi guys, so today we are going to go Bandra Hill Road to check out the collection and also see like whether after COVID how is the situation of the market. So yeah, I have reached the Bandra Hill Road market, and as you can see I am just entering the lane which is next to Tea Villa Cafe, and in this lane you will see a lot of dresses. They have a lot of variety which is like priced at around rupees 250 to 300, and you can see a lot of formal wear here. So I really like these two dresses. Even this shop was very good, like at a price of 300 they had some Shein kind of clothes. So yeah, I really like this black dress, like it has a total boho feel to it, and it was just priced at rupees 300. And these cute tops were also priced around 300 350. So I just spotted this satin shorts which are so trendy right now, and he was just selling it for 250, and I absolutely loved the quality. They had various colors in this, like in white, black, rose gold. So the dresses were good, but I don't think the collection was like exceptionally good जो हमेशा होता है. So I was very eager to see what was ahead in the market. There was really a mood of sale season going at Bandra Hill Road. All the big shops were at flat 50% or 30%. They have also removed some of their collection at flat 200 or 300 prices. After the Shein ban, if you are looking for some top-notch jewelry, then please go Hill Road. They had a flat 50 or 100 rupees sale. All the shops had very good collection. There were also a lot of street vendors this time, like compared to previous. I think there are now more stalls which are at flat price of 150 or even 150 200. So you can really check them out. They really had good stock up on all your essentials like footwear, utility pants, track pants, basic t-shirts. Everything was there. There was a huge collection of nightwear and track pants. Now this shop had a lot of good collection of tops and dresses which were flat priced at 250 when the dresses were of 300, and I really like this collection. In terms of collection, I did feel that this was a little bit of old stock, but in case you are looking for basics and just casual wear, then it should be good for you. Now this shop stole my heart. You can see everything which you watch online or in Zara or on Shein, everything that is trendy, this guy had it, and this was flat at rupees 100, and it blew my mind. I did purchase something, so please wait for the haul video. I'm going to show what piece did I pick up, and you can see all these casual hoop earrings and little jhumkas were for rupees 50, and this lane which is very famous had a little bit of old stock, so I didn't really like it. And you can see there are a lot of vendors who are selling at flat price of 100 200 maximum, and you can score really good. Like if you are looking out for shirts, I think they had a lot of collection for shirts. So yeah, this market is not for Indian wear. They had a very limited stock, and then we move forward to the second half of the market where there are more big shops. Even they had stuff to clear out, and that's why they had almost half of their collection at flat 200. And I think this is the best time to stock up on your basics if you are looking for basic tops, tie and dye tops. If you are looking for cute crop tops, all the Shein kind of clothes, I think this is the best time to go. Now there were a lot of vendors who were selling things at flat 100, and if you want, just spend a little more time and you can find hidden gems. If you're looking for retro stuff, if you're looking for basic stuff, I'm sure you will be able to find it here. Now my next stop was this shop. The wallets here started from 50 and went up to 250 maximum, and you can see these backpacks, they were also cute. The same shop, this guy was selling all these quirky pop sockets at flat rupees 50. Trust me, this is a steal, guys. As you move forward, you are going to spot more casual tops and casual crop tops, tie and dye clothing items, and all these cute dresses, and also jeans at flat rupees 500. That is a steal. and as you can see, I'm trying to search some good casual tops. They had a lot of racer bags and also a lot of track pants, utility pants, which are very in right now. Like if you go on Shein, that would cost you for sure minimum 1200, but here the prices were around 350 400 maximum for utility pants, and I think that is a very good. You can see the collection, tie-dye and crop tops were very in, and they were all for flat 200 rupees, and I think that is like a steal. This shop particularly had a lot of casual t-shirts along with some basic tees, and also that collection of dresses was out of this world. They were so pastel, which is very in right now. You can see there are so many pastel dresses which look so cute. I did purchase 2 very cute t-shirts from here, so please stay tuned for my Bandra haul video to know what all have I bought from this market, and trust me, it's at a very affordable rates. So yeah, I think everything is under 300 I guess. So please keep on watching, please like, share and subscribe. And the rest of the market had all these basic tops and everything, so I didn't vlog it further. So yeah, ending it with pav bhaji at Elko, and then going back to my home. And I hope you like this vlog. I hope you are inspired to go to Hill Road, but please take all the precautions. Bye.